I'm sorry, guys. I haven't uploaded for another year. Like my fort for Mega Fort video, I haven't even uploaded from that video for 2 years apart. I think it's time to make another video. So, see what games I have. Hold on. Let's close animation throwdown. Um, let's show you my farm. I'll show you my farm. This is gonna be a farm tour video, like I used to do my older. Well, would I count that as a farm? That's more like a chicken coop review. Tell you all the secrets about this game too. Where is it? There he is. And then, where is it? It's one of these. See? Yeah, I'm year 3 in the game, and I'm not even that far in, really. Yes, I am indeed married and have a child. Her name's Nicole. This is Haley, my wife. But she's now out of sight, out of mind. We have to work on this farm, which currently is winter time, so you can't really grow anything. But I'm indeed a winemaker. I make Stardew wine. Sometimes, I sometimes make coffee with the coffee beans I have in here. Yeah, that's a lot of coffee beans. Also, I'm trying to grow ancient fruit, which it's taken a long time because ancient fruit. Oh yeah, it's time to harvest my melons, my pink melons. It looks like these things are about to grow in. You can see by the orange, or not the orange, the brown. So I might have the chance to get 5 ancient fruits, which means I can complete my movie theater, and I can have a movie theater. I don't know what I think I have some melon seeds left, so I'll go buy some. And these are fish. I get roe from them, and I put them in these little containers, which preserves them, and then turns into Okay, well I don't have enough. I guess. Is there a chest I can just? No. Okay. But I sell the roe. And I can make caviar from the Strugon roe. Just put my coffee beans up. I store my things in the fridge. And most of the time, I either give my fruit cactus. I either sell it or give it to Sam. Which, if we look, yeah, Sam. Yeah. the dwarf, Alex, Maru, and Shane and Elliot absolutely hate me. I don't like Alex either, so. And the other, I don't like Elliot either. He's kind of a weirdo. This is my mill. I can make sugar. I can make rice. I can make wheat from it. Flour. That's about it. And this contains all my hay. See how much hay we have. Okay, that's probably why my animals are going hungry or not making anything. It only came out with an egg. Okay. This is my rabbit. Yeah, see? Rambo's not happy 'cause he doesn't have any food. Kim Pine. Kool-Aid. Oh, wait. This is Kool-Aid. That's not Kool-Aid. Other Scott. Yes, these are Scott Pilgrim names. Ramona F. Knives Chow. Pee-Pee. Wallace Wells. And then Roxy. And then if we go, if you're wondering why this is just here, is because all my vents have completely collapsed. But I don't feel like putting them back up. That's supposed to be Young Neil or Neil Norganoff. Clam Chowder. Waste of gold. Fernando. Tricycle. That's silly. Remy. Eep. And then Todd. Where's my kitty? I have a cat. There he is. I forgot what I named him. What did I name him? I'm pretty sure there's... Where can you see the... Oh, there it is. Wait, hold on. Go back. Yeah, his name is Jim M. Or for Jim Morrison. So I'm a Jim Morrison fan. That's... In Animation Throwdown, that's literally what my club is. I named it the Jim Morrison Fan Club. As you can see, I have my decorations. My fish smoker, my beehive. Yeah. These are my oil makers. So, pig truffle. I put it in here and I get truffle oil. And then mayo. And then cheese is from milk. And then these are my furnaces, which I make for, like, you know, anything really. My fish ponds are stroking. I have to bring it back. I have to wait. I think that's really it. I have a kind of a small farm. I haven't made it that far. And then with my, oh yeah, let's go fishing. With my Ginger Island. I almost forgot what it's called for a second. I haven't really gotten far in either. I've unlocked the farm, but I haven't unlocked the house yet. But I've unlocked Professor Snell. So, you know, I'm that far in, really. Yeah, this game, all of that, right there. Oh, wait. Has taken me 132 hours now. Also, I have my bobbers on random, so they can just come out as anything. I'm trying... Oh. That's what I say. I'm trying to catch a perch for the little raccoons over here. for him. Need fish! But I already did that, and I need to find mussels, which I really don't know where. I think they spawn during winter. I don't know if they do or not. That's the wrong way. No, I don't want to do that again. Go back. This is Leah's house. I don't think she really goes out during the winter. See? There she is. It gets pretty cold in my little cabin. I just snuggle up under a huge blanket and I'm okay. Yeah, we all love Leah. I love my ginger artist too. Don't worry. That's Shane. No one likes Shane though, so I think Sam's in here. I don't think actually anyone's in here. Never mind. You can play with his instruments though. See? It sounded like the Apple sound of notification sound. This guitar doesn't do anything though. It has a pair of active pickups and a whammy bar. That's cool. I think Emily's in here. I think it's fifth. You know, I don't think this is Haley's room. Oh wait, it's Tuesday. That's why. Okay. What's the daily quest? Yeah, I don't know about that. See, there's Emily. Oh no. Okay. Caroline. You're looking real fit, Jody. Those dumbbells do wonder. Do they? There's Robin. We all love Robin. Mwah. We met every day to encourage each other to stay healthy. That's nice to know, but can you guys stop having your Tuesday mom talk? I kind of want to talk to you individually. Right, say it's 5 o'clock. No? Alright, I'm out. Where's Abigail? Am I giving anyone? No. Yeah, somehow I have more of a stronger relationship with Abigail's mom than Abigail herself. That's silly. I don't usually know where she goes during the winter. It's just a random holly right there. I don't know where she is. I wish I wish I had my mods on so I can tell where everyone's on the map. They're still having their mom talk. There you go, finally. What do you have to say? That's cool. The wall is a pixel. No, come here. Well, okay. Divorce your husband. Oh, she's in there. I didn't see her. Hey, Abigail. Oh, I got dead again. This game is so hard. Okay, it's one of those. It's time to go talk to wife now. Do you think I should edit this video? We could all say, "Oh, my wine's done. I'm gonna be wined and dined. Wined and dined. See, there's so many different flavors. We give Leah one of these. Oh, okay, let's see. Hot pepper. You know what I will give her? I'll give her the pomegranate. Tomorrow. Haley! Yeah. Okay. Alright, where's my child at? 99. Alright, I guess my child doesn't want my love and affection. Let's see how much money I make. Oh! Level 10 forging! Syrup's worth 25% more. I don't think that was worth it, but usually I make way more than this because I actually have wheat for my animals. But you know, I don't really. I have to buy some. But that's practically my farm tour, I guess. It's more of like an entire town tour, but you know. I don't like it. I'm gonna edit this. Oh, I can't really edit it right now. I got this going. It's 2 hours in already? Really? Okay. It's going faster than I thought it would. Good. I'm making a video where it's just a compilation of videos I haven't even uploaded. It's around 6 hours long. That's gonna take a long time to upload now. Yeah, that's it for me.